Hi everyone, this is Mohit Ahuja from NoDisability. मैं अपने नाम ही याद भूल गया, मोहित आहूजा हो गया। Retake. Hi everyone, I'm Mohit Ahuja from NoDisability.org and we are here to do another fantastic session of photography with all the superhuman friends we have. मिलके करना है दोस्तों, बहुत सारी अच्छी फोटोज खींचनी है and काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी फोटोज के साथ we have to create a legacy that superhumans can do a lot. But before we begin, I want to introduce my student Vikas right here.
Hi.
Say hi Vikas.
Hi.
Hi. So what we're going to do is leading lines today. I have this छोटा सा scale model of a bike with me. You can find something interesting around you, or you can buy something like this on one of the online shopping sites. And I have these PVC pipes which I just bought off a hardware store, and they are taped together with this masking tape. Not something very good to look at when you look at normally, but for a picture you can actually create magic with these pipes. So what we're going to do is today we are going to create amazing pictures using leading lines and for a background, because we are doing this indoors. It's COVID time. We don't want people with autoimmune diseases and things like that to go out and risk their lives. So I'm trying to do as much as possible indoors, and slowly we'll go outdoors when the time is right. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this picture kept right behind me, which is shot by Vikas. Again, Vikas, you shot that picture, right?
Yeah, I shot that.
Vikas shot that picture, and we are going to use that picture, a small cheating, a small trick that we're going to use to create the forest, the green kind of an effect in leading lines and create images that are very nice to look at. So let's begin, Vikas.
Yes.
Let's begin. So the very first step that we are going to take is we are going to take this very beautiful picture and we're going to hide these girls because they are not what we want in the picture. We want the forest background. So Vikas, let's pick it up and behind the table piece, let's just slowly slide it down in a way that just the forest is seen. Yes. थोड़ा सा और उधर कर देते हैं. Yes, that's it. So now, if anything is kept here, it will look like there is a forest at the back. And from here we start shooting. So the very first thing that we have is a scale model of a Batmobile. Everybody is a Batman lover, so we thought why not use that. And there is the background. So what we will do is we need to go low here. You will see Vikas going low. And from that angle we will shoot a nice picture. Picture Vikas, very nice. इस पर टैप करते हुए मैं इस पर फोकस कर लेता हूँ. Click. Very nice. What we're going to do next is we are going to take these PVC pipes, जिसको हमने tape कर दिया साथ में, and we are going to keep them near the picture in a way that it looks like they're leading you to that green background. And then we take something that suits the frame, which is a dirt bike, and we keep it here. थोड़ा सा tricky है इसको टिकाना, but we keep it here, and it looks like there's a bike parked on an uneven surface and there's a forest at the background. And let's see how Vikas shoots this.
Yes.
Sir, ready?
Yes.
Yeah, we're ready to shoot. ऊपर करो. हाँ, दिख रही है आपको बाइक? अब दिख रही है ना? अब रुको, दिखनी नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है इसको. ऊपर करो और ऊपर करो. ठीक है? खींचो. हल्का सा प्रेस करो. जोर से दबाना नहीं, उसको बस टच कर दो. टच करोगे ना, हो जाता है. ठीक है? देख रहे हो? आपको ये छूना है, इसको जोर नहीं लगाना है. छुओ उसको प्यार से. यस. करो. So guys, that was us doing leading lines, creating some brilliant leading lines using small things in the house, in the studio. Vikas ji has become the boss. He's sitting on the chair. He's not in the chair now because he's creating some brilliant images. So he's the boss guy और हम सेवक हैं. But that is the role you get afterwards, and this is what I would love to do for all the kids. So I would want all of you to keep trying out these things with the kids. Keep working with them. Keep clicking pictures. Ask me as many questions as you want. We are here to help. Vikas ji, you will help?
Yes.
we will help and we will teach and we will work on this together. So don't give up and like, share and subscribe. It might sound like marketing, but much more than that. It is something that we are trying to do to reach out to more and more people. The more superhumans, the more differently able can come out from their cages and shoot some brilliant pictures, the happier we will be. Will you be happy about this, Vikas?
Yes.
Yes, we'll be very happy about it. So subscribe, share it with anybody you think would care about disability, and let's create some brilliant pictures and break stereotypes. Thank you.